Precious souls, welcome. Brought my Osho Zen with me on my little kayak adventure. Let's find out what you need to know. I'm surrounded by so many dragonflies. They're so beautiful, beautiful blue. Tap into your inner voice. That's where all your answers are. Your spirit guides are always trying to connect with you. So it's moments like this where you can silence the outside world and listen to the voice within. That's where the answers are. The dragonflies. I don't know if you could see them. So beautiful. Have a fantabulous day.